Hey guys, I'm Chris. Today we're going to Pune Hongwanji, pick up a fundraiser. We're gonna pick up some andagi donut. Andagi? I do apologize for butchering that. It's basically Japanese donuts. So it's like really crispy on the outside. We're gonna go check out Lava Tree State Park.
Lava Tree?
A petrified forest. And yeah, that's our adventure for the afternoon. So we are at, where? We're at Lava Tree State Park.
The monument.
The monument. So it's over there. We're gonna have a snack right now. So these are the andagi donuts. So we're gonna get one. Here we go, Victor. Here we go. Ooh, they're nice and crispy. How's it taste, Victor? Crunchy, yeah? You like it, flavor? The whole thing's crunchy. Well, I thought it was gonna be like donuts, but the whole thing is crunchy inside. You see? Finish our snack, and then we're just gonna head in. That's right across the Notre Dame. We're right here. Several lava cracks run through. Ooh, okay. Do not climb over fences. I'm assuming there's a crack over there. This could easily drop like a couple hundred, you know, anywhere from 50 to 100 feet. What does it look like?
A baby.
But so the lava came and then it encased the tree, and you can see it like that's what's left over. Yep. Cool. My guess is like an ohia. Or if you guys are wondering what an ohia tree is, this is right here. Look at all the, what is this tree called? This is a plant, that I feel like it's hotter here in general, or is just being, am I just being paranoid? Look at the ginger here. Why? What happened if I get off the path? That's right, guys. These trees actually fell down. Then it encased it, so you can see this. It just rotted away in the inside. Yeah. Smells like coffee. Look, you can see this is the bark. You can see the bark inside. Super nice. So if you guys haven't been here, you just need a nice walk in general. It's not really a hike. It's all paved all the way around. Come check it out.